Hello, good morning, good afternoon. My name is Ali, and today we'll be doing an experiment to see the effect of sound waves on particles. Now, before we jump into the experiment, we'll have to know how sound travels through a medium. The air, we all know that air is made out of tiny particles, and when the sound is created by any object, the air particles vibrate and collide with each other, causing the vibrations to pass between particles. For this experiment to happen, we will need a bowl and a plastic wrap and any type of particles, which is in my case, I'll be using the salt and the pepper. And we'll need a sound source. You can use a CD player, you can use a speaker, but in my case, I'll be using a spoon and a pan. So, first of all, we'll take this plastic wrap and put this over the bowl. And we'll have to make sure it is tightly sealed. Let's cut this off. And we'll have to make sure it's really sealed and really tight. There we go. Now I got a trick for you. If you want to see that it's really tight, just hit the plastic wrap. If it gives you a sound like this, it's good to go. Now, I'm gonna spray my salt. Do a lot over here so it's visible in the video, and I'll spray some. There we go. If it is not visible in the video, I'll try to take a closer shot of it. Now, I'm gonna take my pan and spoon. Now, when the spoon collides with the pan, it's gonna basically produce sound. And when the sound waves travel through this medium, the sound wave is gonna collide with the particles, which is the salt and pepper, which is gonna cause a movement. Okay, so let's try this. 1, 2, 3.